Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to clean up your old Windows or your previous Windows installation file. So most of you know that if we install Windows in another Windows, the previous Windows, when we delete it, it will still be there. So let's begin. So first of all, you need to open your Explorer on my computer, as you say. So after you open your Explorer, you need to go to your C drive. That is your system drive or Windows drive. So all you need to do is use the clean up disk. So out here there is a disk cleanup. Make sure you do this only on C drive. If you do it in another drive, it might clean your file. So C drive is basically there's a lot of system file. So it will clean only if the file is valid or invalid. So let's try this cleanup. So don't worry, it might take some time to clean your whole system. So just be patient. Okay, as we wait here, I'm gonna give you a few tips or a few shortcuts. If you want to open the Explorer directly, all you need to do is press the window keys and E. So with that, you can open it. Let's try and share the screen here. So to open the Explorer, you need to press this and this. See, if you want to close that, you can keep this. Or you can just close it. So next is as simple as that, how you can access your on-screen keyboard shortcut. So since by the name itself, on-screen keyboard, you can access it via the run command. You can just write run, or you can just write window keys plus R. So just write down OSK, that's short for on-screen keyboard. Press enter, boom. There's on-screen keyboard, you can pin it. You can do whatever you want. So this will take a lot of time, but just be patient. Clean up the whole system file. 68 GB, you will check, and if you see the temporary file and all the invalid file, you will clean it up. So you gotta be patient. Okay, here we did. So if you scroll down here, this is all you see, right? So what you need to do to clean your all various Windows, you need to clean up the system file. So if I clean up my system file, I don't think there will be any previous Windows there. So let me just try it. There might be a private package like that one. This is invalid, so that's why it's been cleaned. Okay, then need to do that. Now it's repeating the same again after it cleaned the it checked for the system fail, then it will check again for the memory error and stuff. So you gotta be patient. If you wonder what is a previous Windows installation file, after you restart your system you might see two windows. For example, let's try Windows 7, Windows 7, you will see two windows. You might wonder why is that. If you format your laptop mistakenly, you didn't format it, you just install on top of the previous Windows. So with the help of this cleanup, you can easily clean your whole system. And if you want to check for your drive, how many drive is there, you can use this part, I mean display partition. Take it for short. You gotta be patient. It will. Next, you need to type dish. So list dish. Since I've only got my internal hard drive that has 500 GB, so 465 GB actually is the size. Need to system memory reserve and stuff. And I got 30 GB free. That's the partition for my Linux. Don't worry about that. You can easily create a virtual hard drive also. Okay, let's search for the way of that. How can you create a virtual hard drive? Just by going to disk management. View, action, create. Next, let me try on desktop. Let me try PC. Let's see if it's one or none. So how many? Let's try 1000 GB. Okay, that's too much. So let's see 1000 GB. That's not enough on the drive. So virtually what this do is we create a virtual hard drive in the system to use it temporarily. So if we want to use it to store temporary file or just for copy and paste and all those stuff, you can create a virtual hard drive, but make sure the current is there. If the current goes off, then your virtual hard drive is gone. So we don't want that to happen. Since it takes a lot of time, it seems like there's a lot of cleanup going on. Anyway. Teach you that how to activate your Windows for 30 days. You might see out here there is Windows not genuine or activate Windows. That is a simple thing you can do. You can open the command prompt administrator as an administrator, but I won't do it in mine since already activated. So you can use SLMGR. Clean. So let's just delete it all. Okay, SLMGR-REARM. That is the short for activate or re-register your activation key. So if I press enter, Just wait for the pop-up to display if it's success or fail. Okay, boom, command completely set successfully. Please restart system or choose take effect. Okay, done. Let's just wait for here. After finish, then we can start the system again. So if you want to ask a question, you can just comment down below. I will personally reply to your question, or if you need help, you can comment down below. I would love to help you. So with this, I'm gonna end this up. Thank you for watching. Keep sharing information, keep sharing knowledge, and make sure you do subscribe for more update. I'll be doing some advanced video related to Windows and all, so make sure you do update the bell icon after you press the subscribe, so that you'll be the first to get notified. And thanks for watching. Peace out.